Go ahead, Punk. Make my day. And what's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bonin Vargas of Zebian Manila. So, what do you think? Am I good enough to be a cowboy? Cowboy. So, anyway, welcome back to the channel. And this is the channel where you can earn and learn from leather crafting. Alright, so for today's video, what we'll be doing is a leather alcohol holder. Actually, I used a leather and a garter so that we can actually accommodate the different kinds of alcohol bottles that we have in the market. So this one is a cylinder, and this one is the commonly used with the shape like this. So it's over here. And another one, what we made is the one with the hook and the one with the ring, so that you can use actually it for your bags or for your pants. Before we continue to our video, we would like to give a huge shout out to our friends who are also content creators: Duke Neil, X Lahora, and J Flores. And also, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And also, you can comment as well what would you like to see on our next videos. So, let's go to the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video for today. And again, if you have a video that you would like to see or a craft that you would like to see, don't forget to comment below what would you want to have on our next video. So again, shout out to Omar Manzano or Omar Baliw of High Minds Clothing. He have a collab with Nick Automatic, NICOLO NIMOR, and I can't wait to get my hands on that merch. Hopefully I can get one. Again, thank you for watching our video. Diyos mabalos. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.